dish is named after a beauty pageant that could lead to marriage or a broken heart. According to legend, young Circassian women, famous across the Ottoman world for their beauty, would cook this dish for the man they hoped to marry. If the dish turned out as beautiful as she was, the wedding would happen. If it fell short, so did the marriage. For centuries, this was said to be more than just a recipe. It was a test. But not everyone agrees on this origin. There's a second theory, one that has nothing to do with any test at all. Some say the name simply comes from the sauce itself, pale, soft, and creamy, resembling the famously fair complexion Circassian women were known for across the Ottoman world. No test, no risk of heartbreak, just a color that gave the dish its name. So which story is true, the beauty test or the color of the sauce? Even historians today still can't agree. Let me know which one you believe. This dish goes back to the 19th century, when the Circassian people were driven from their homeland in the Caucasus and found refuge in the Ottoman Empire. They brought new cooking traditions with them, including this dish, shredded chicken in a rich walnut sauce. And because Circassian women held a prominent place in Ottoman palace life, it didn't stay in ordinary kitchens for long. It made its way straight into the royal court. Whether you believe the beauty test or the color theory, one thing's certain. This dish has earned its place in Ottoman cuisine. Here's how to make it. Start by poaching your chicken with onion and a bay leaf until fully cooked. Once it's cool, shred it by hand. And don't throw out that stock, you'll need it. Next, soak a couple slices of stale bread in the stock, then blend it with walnuts, garlic, and salt until you get a thick, creamy sauce. Mix most of that sauce into your shredded chicken, then spread it onto a plate. Top it with the rest of the sauce, a drizzle of walnut oil, a dusting of paprika, and some chopped walnuts. Chill it for at least 30 minutes. This dish is always served cold. And that's it. Beauty test or not, I think it earns its place at the table. If you enjoyed this story, there are dozens more hidden behind Turkish dish names, and I'll be sharing a new one soon. Which dish's name do you want me to uncover next?